It's amazing how every year as Christmas gets closer, something in us shifts. Suddenly, warm textures feel warmer, small details feel magical, and handmade things start pulling at our hearts a little more than usual. And nothing captures that feeling better than crocheted. There's something about yarn moving through your fingers, looping into shape, turning into something real, something soft, something personal, that makes Christmas feel richer, cozier, and more intentional. Crochet has this beautiful way of slowing the season down. Everything else might be rushing, holiday shopping, decorating, planning, but yarn doesn't rush. It glides, it grows. It transforms little by little in your hands, which makes the finished piece feel like more than decor. It becomes a moment stitched into something beautiful. And when you place it in your home or gift it to someone you love, it carries that warmth with it. One of the most charming things about Christmas crochet is how endlessly creative it is. You don't need to stick to a theme or a trend. You can go traditional, modern, minimal, or completely whimsical. And the colors make everything come alive. Bright reds that feel like glowing ornaments, deep greens that look like pine needles, soft whites that mimic fresh snow, even pastel palettes that turn a room into something dreamy and light. Crochet lets you play with all these shades in ways you simply can't with store-bought decorations. The colors don't sit on top, they blend into the stitches, becoming part of the texture, part of the soul of the piece. One of the easiest and most heartwarming things to make for Christmas is crochet ornaments. They're small, quick, and perfect for using leftover yarn. You can create tiny stockings, delicate lace snowflakes, mini Santa hats, little round baubles, or even 3D figures like angels and reindeer. What makes them special isn't just the shape, it's the texture. Crochet ornaments have depth. They cast gentle shadows on the tree lights. They look handmade in a way that feels luxurious, personal, and honestly more beautiful than most mass-produced pieces. And the colors you choose can completely change their personality. A set of classic red and white pieces looks festive and traditional. Earth tones with soft cream give a rustic, cozy cabin feel. Metallic yarn, gold, silver, champagne, makes a tree sparkle in a subtle but stunning way. Even baby blue, pastel pink, or lavender ornaments turn the tree into something dreamy and ethereal. The brightness of the colors doesn't feel harsh like plastic decor. It feels warm and woven, glowing with softness. Another crochet project that brings instant Christmas charm is the classic tree skirt. Store-bought skirts always seem to miss something. Either the fabric feels flat, the pattern feels generic, or the fit isn't quite right. But a handmade crochet tree skirt? It's thick, it's textured, and it makes the base of your Christmas tree look like something out of a holiday storybook. You can work it in solid rings of color, alternate stripes, add motifs like snowflakes or stars, or use granny squares for a nostalgic patchwork style. A soft stitched tree skirt makes gifts look more beautiful as they sit around the tree because they're resting on something warm and crafted with intention. If you want something even more practical, Christmas-themed crochet pillows are absolutely perfect. The living room always becomes the heart of Christmas gatherings, and pillows are one of the simplest ways to make the space feel instantly festive. You can make pillows with textured stitches, bobble stitch trees, cable stitch braids, snowflake patterns worked in overlay crochet, or even pieces with simple color work. Even a plain pillow with bright stripes of red, green, and white can completely transform a couch. And because crochet adds dimension, the colors don't just sit flat on a surface, they rise, fall, and reflect the light differently. It makes everything look handcrafted and warm. And then there's the Christmas blanket, the masterpiece, the project that always ends up becoming a tradition. A crochet Christmas blanket isn't just decor, it becomes a seasonal heirloom. Thick ripple blankets in holiday colors, granny stripe throws, starburst motifs, corner-to-corner scenes of trees or reindeer, you can shape it into whatever feels like Christmas to you. Imagine wrapping yourself in something you made, feeling the weight of it, the softness of the yarn, and the memory of every stitch you put into it. It's the kind of item that makes the season feel richer, deeper, and more connected. Crochet stockings are another crochet favorite because they bring a mix of creativity and usefulness. You can go elegant with single color stockings and a beautiful ribs texture, or playful with stripes, appliques, pom-poms, or tapestry crochet patterns. And the colors you choose set the mood instantly. Bright red stockings feel cheerful and bold, emerald and ivory feel classic and timeless, soft blush pink with cream feels feminine and sweet. Gold accents give a touch of luxury. Even multicolored stockings using scrap yarn can look unbelievably charming and full of character. Crochet stockings also hang beautifully because the fabric is soft yet structured, draping in a way no stiff fabric can. If you love decorating tables, crochet gives you endless options. Runners, placemats, coasters, jar covers, candle wrap sleeves, even chair socks. A handmade table runner stitched in Christmas colors instantly makes the dining area feel thoughtful and inviting. Coasters in the shape of stars or snowflakes add tiny pops of personality to every cup placed on the table. And candle jars wrapped in delicate crochet lace glow beautifully when the light shines through the stitches. The brightness of the yarn mixes with the glow of the candlelight, creating something warm and enchanting. One of the most underrated crochet Christmas ideas is wall hangings. Whether it's a minimalist Christmas tree made with simple triangles, a tapestry of snowy mountains, or a series of colorful granny squares joined into a festive shape, a crochet wall hanging adds artistic charm to any room. It's like blending craft, color, and creativity into one piece. And it's one of the easiest handmade decor items to display because it doesn't take space, but it adds warmth instantly. Garlands are another magical touch. Tiny crochet stars joined in a string, mini stockings lined up, granny shapes in greens and reds, even pom-pom garlands made from yarn scraps. You can hang them on shelves, staircases, doorways, mantles, or even around windows. The brightness of the red, green, white, and gold mixed with the softness of the yarn turns any room into a festive haven. And because crochet absorbs light differently, the colors glow in a gentle, cozy way. For people who love small, detailed pieces, amigurumi Christmas characters are incredibly fun. Crochet snowman with soft, round bodies, jolly Santas with tiny stitched hats, cute little reindeer with crocheted antlers, gingerbread people with embroidered smiles, even miniature Christmas trees decorated with beads or buttons. Amigurumi gives you endless freedom to create small companions for shelves, side tables, or gift bags. They bring a playful charm into the home, reminding everyone that Christmas isn't just beautiful, it's joyful. And if you want practical crochet ideas that you can use beyond Christmas, kitchen decor is a great place to start. Holiday-themed pot holders, dishcloths, hand towels with crocheted borders, and hot pads are not only useful, they're durable, washable, and add personality to the kitchen without going over the top. Red and green cotton yarn, snowflake motifs, peppermint swirl designs, all these little details make cooking and hosting feel more festive without going over the top. One of the best parts of Christmas crochet is how sustainable it can be. Instead of buying endless decorations each year, you're creating pieces that last. Crochet items don't fade easily. They rarely tear. They wash well, and they age gracefully. Each piece becomes something you bring out year after year, adding to the story of your home. Over time, they hold memories, where you were when you made them, who you gifted them to, the laughter, the music, the mood of that year's Christmas season.
And when it comes to beauty, crochet has a way of making even the simplest design look elegant. The texture itself is art. Even a basic stitch worked in a bright, vibrant yarn becomes eye-catching. The way the fibers catch the light